So his introduction is that Maskar Dev Singh ji is the founder and director of the Yashmai World School of Gonda, where he says he's done a lot of experiment. So because I'm going to now ask him to first contribute, so he's done a lot of experiment on vocation. Sorry, so I think he'll have a lot to say. Over to you first as promoters, their pure point of view, and you can carry on, sir.
Consensus among the school. Acha, for you think. So we are in a similar consensus is that first of all, we will fund the vocational, we'll give the school the best infra for our students to flourish. Since you all will accept and you will come and let your students be part of our system, will not hesitate to give you the best, your children. That is one. The second was, the second is that we will listen to the principals and the teachers, whatever they suggest, because they are the actual people on ground, and that is where the disconnect comes between the owners and the, I'll say educators or the teachers, where they have got ideas because they are facing the student every day. They come to us, tell us कि सर इसको ऐसे कर लेते हैं, we say नहीं यार चलने दो. Let's face it. Let's face it. मतलब I'll tell you one thing. My mother was a teacher. My father was into education. Now I'm changing the role because now I don't want to take too much of time. My mother retired as a government school principal. My father was head of the education, district education officer, which is called BSA in most of the places. I am the only son, and I belong to a place called Gonda, where I was born. Since my family background was from, like my grandfather was a teacher, okay, and then the background, my maternal side was all into education. So we knew the value of education, and my father was actually very worried because Gonda was declared the dirtiest city of India once more in 2014. UPSC का question paper भी assure हो गया था because that was the question. So my father just started studying the school because government school ka setup he knew. My mother was a excellent. I don't have to praise. Everybody praises my like their parents, but you got to see, to believe, and ask over there. Government school में line और source लगता था admission के लिए. The school my mother used to teach. So we knew the value of teachers. कि teacher, we all can create our own status, and virtually we can surpass the owners if we are honest and sincere. The strength of teachers, I can't even tell you. We are nothing without you. As simple as that. When I started, how come the idea came for my school? Because when my father started looking for school, he couldn't find one. Then he went to Allahabad, education hub, all IAS, PCS, and everybody coming out from there. One of the schools was that it was non-boarding. He went to the father, he said, kisko rakh lo aap. Even if you have to convert him into Christianity, I'm ready. And father said, no. We'll keep your child. You don't have to go through that process. As luck could have it, one of the missionary schools opened in Gonda, Fatima, and I became the first student of that school. All Irish nuns when the school started. Up to class 5, perfect. Then Irish nuns started migrating. The local teachers started coming, and that is where the problem started. And I'll come back to that later. So my father said, no, you have to go out from here. And I went to a Sainik School Lucknow. Then I joined National Defense Academy. I became a pilot. From there, I flew many types of aircraft, 6,300 hours of flying, 7 types of aircraft, survived 2 crashes, 1 road accident, 1 life-threatening disease. फिर लगा कि यार life is just going. जिधर चलो, I'm just in Josh. Something is happening. I'm changing my course. Again, I'm starting my life. Something is happening. Again, I'm changing my course. And then God was very kind. I was given a lateral entry into Government of India as an IAS officer. And that was the day I started realizing that it's a Cinderella moment. वो एक 12 बजेंगे रात के, and the chariot will turn into pumpkin, the horses into rats, and I won't know where to go. And that is the day I resigned. My wife is a lawyer in Supreme Court. She was the first one to move. We'll start a school. Then my daughter, and then last was me in 2020. Why I decided to open a school. I had no business. Knew nothing about the business. I knew nothing about the content. I never knew what is supply, demand, students, this region में इतने बच्चे मिल जाएंगे. I'll be very honest, and I can swear by that, I knew nothing about that. I just decided I have to open a school because when I was studying, I had many challenges. I never liked studies. I had to hate studies. And when I grew up, I survived. I have beaten competitions and I have reached to a place. But while I was growing up, I realized ये नहीं होना चाहिए यार. Why do I do this? Maths teacher से सिर्फ I asked one question कि sir why these formulas are all in X and Y? बना दिया. You just shut up. थोड़ी देर बाद ने पूछा but sir why? बाहर चले जाओ. I said the question came and I wrote the formula in all alphabets possible. I failed. One answer by the teacher. It's a universal formula. You are studying here, somebody is studying in Japan, somebody is studying in UK. How do we stand? And that was the end of it. Rebel, kinesthetic. So that is the time I said, no, this is not correct. But I survived. I reached to a place. My daughter, she is here. My only child. She also went to school. And I realized that I was revolting and now again she is going through the same process. So it was getting stronger and I used to write my notes, even my class 10th. The school, this should not be there. This is how it should be there. We should not be forced. बच्चे का rebel mode, nothing related to today's scenario. And that is the time I started building the school. And you won't believe it, my school doesn't have any consultant. The architect was only there because I had to have a plan properly to put it on paper. We have sketched and designed by our own hand, me, my wife. And later, of course, when she grew up, she also contributed. It was just that an experiment we'll do, हम ऐसा बनाएंगे, we'll do like this, we'll pick up. Not realizing I'm spending like crazy, will there be returns or not? God is very kind on me, I'll be very honest. Started my school with 101 students. With 60% rejection. From day one, we started taking entrance test. Now everybody asks me why. The reason was that if I take non-serious students now, I'll take 12 years to wean out and clean my system. So it's better let's have less, let's take risk and start with a serious content. So it started happening, people started liking it. Now the challenge, as we just said, vocational education. Our school has got 47 labs in every field, and most of them have become functional. Things like metallurgy. Idea kahan se aaya? When I was visiting Qutub Minar. When I was visiting Qutub Minar and the guide told me, I have read also earlier in the history book, this pillar never rusts. But I said, and now nobody can replicate. You know, the guides say, Dimag mein kyun nahi? Why not? That means our Gurukul system was so strong that somewhere we could produce something like this, which became immortal. So I said, अब जब मेरा school होगा ना, तो मैं एक foundry lab बनाऊंगा. I made one. Then metallurgy, mixing of metals. They have to go hand in hand. So I made one metallurgy lab. And they're working. And students are doing it. They're handling molten metals with confidence. And age and class is no bar to enter that lab. It's just my teachers have to recommend, sir, he has a bent of mind for that. We find a safety procedure and we take him in. That was one. Then life skills, we say, finishing school. I'm telling you, I give you a 14-course meal. Tell me how many of you can actually know how to start with what first. Basics. Then when we switched on to the cutlery and everything, अब हाथ का क्या होगा भाई? हमारा तो food is all by hand. How to put it in the curriculum? So have a meal day with Indian foods where my children will eat with hand. And tell them how to eat. Now, why this came? Because I was in Sainik school, went to National Defense Academy. It was all fork and knife, fork and knife, fork and knife. Looked very impressive. But when I got married and my wife came and she cooked a meal, dal chawal, and she was eating with hand, मैंने खाया तो she could not even bear my mess that I created with my hand. So I said, nahi, this we should teach. So one side, one prong approach to the education system will always put you in extreme and you will find a sine curve. एक बार market होगी, एक बार वो नीचे जाएगी. Because then suddenly something else will come up. Like suddenly the school have come, Veda schools have come, where mantra chanting and the Havan ka procedure and everything is there. You will find right now is a craze, but then suddenly people will say, ho gaya. By some have the admission, I have to have his future, I have to have his. So until and unless we don't balance our Gurukul system, our vocational education and the modern education with help of all available tool, every promoter is in a risk of a high sine curve. I may be wrong. My teachers, until and unless don't upgrade their skills from a traditional way of teaching, their job is at risk. And they have to identify themselves what they are looking for in life. Can we get this thing switched off? It's just hitting me. The guy was here. Thank you so much. So until and unless a teacher's, the thing is that we have to have clarity in every field. A parent has to have a clarity how he or she wants to upbring the child. A promoter has to have a clarity how I want to build my school. Okay. A teacher has to have a clarity how I'll be part of the system, and if the ideas are commensurating and we are together, how I'll take it forward. So that is where things started. Now everybody was telling teachers get attrition rate, teachers get a small hike, they switch. Yes, we in place like Gonda, you just imagine, we don't have local teachers. And I have faced a backlash, local backlash. People know us, our family is pretty known to that place. जब आपको यहाँ का जॉब ही नहीं देना तो हमको स्कूल से क्या मतलब? Was the comment. Then I have to tell them, it is not that I don't want to give jobs out here. I have challenges. I am converting my school is on the way to a full boarding school. बंद तो हो गया था, बंद कर दो ना. हाँ, बंद कर दो. So the first thing I said was that I will look after my teachers. And my first step was that before my school was complete, I have built 60 flats fully furnished for my teachers. The school building was still not complete. And then what I have put in the teachers, don't take it I'm promoting my school, please. This is not a place where I'll get admissions. But since promoters are there, teachers are there, we have got common problems. So I'm just trying to think what I have done. So I should not be misunderstood. So I said, okay, my teacher comes. They come from every society, every strata, financial background, commitments, family commitments. हमने देखा है टीचर्स क्या होता है, EMI देना है, मदर ओल्ड है, if she's not married, छोटी वाली की शादी करनी है, brother का education, we all have similar problems. Daughter is there, education, we have to save. I said, how do I contribute? I am not that, I am not an industrialist, I don't have that kind of money कि my school runs on CSR fund. I'm the first generation, I have my own financial, constraints, what to do? I said, how do I compensate? I can't compensate financially. Ma'am, it's too short a time, but anyway, I'll just. So what I did was, ma'am, I just fully furnished the accommodation, TV, fridge, washing machine, dishwasher, and everything they could think of. And I told them, your medical emergencies will be looked after by us, tied up with the hospital. Your living condition will be looked after by us, and it's all available. You please visit my school too. मैं बोल सकता हूँ यहाँ पे, but you got to see to believe that we do it for our teachers. ऐसा नहीं है, teachers. Then we expect a lot from them. Now that is where the conflict starts. If I have given you everything, now in return, only thing I'm asking is the performance of my students, nothing else. You don't have to think बिजली आई कि नहीं 24/7 you got electricity. This school is centrally air conditioned. Your houses are centrally air conditioned. Every facility you have, you name a thing, vehicle is standing, you are sick, the driver takes you to the hospital, priority appointment, get you back. Everything we are doing. Now what I'm expecting out of you? Full time. Now here if you cheat, then we have a way of please take you away. And it happened initially. We had a lot of backlash. We had to ask them to leave, to leave, to leave. And then finally we found a lot which was dedicated. I don't believe in experience. I see the aptitude. Anybody who has an aptitude is a fresher without degree. I engage in my school. There are teachers who could not have made the degrees and those collection of certificates. I engaged them. And where this inspiration came from my previous school in Sainik School. My carpenter teacher was class 4 pass. He learned his English, Mr. D.K. Sharma from Rajasthan. And he was the longest officiating headmaster of my school. And government of Uttar Pradesh never ever appointed a headmaster because everybody said that he's better than them. So certificates don't matter. And I carried that forward. Give me a motivated person, I'll absorb him. Give me an honest person, I'll absorb him. So why I'm telling you, this is how you stop the teachers, not by salary hike. I'm telling you, you are part of the family. I can say that. But you know I have my limitations to make you part of my family. You have your limitations to let me be part of your family. So what matters has to be addressed. And this is what I have tried. It is working well. I don't know. But right now it's working pretty well. The children are taken care of. They are taken care of. So this is how I've addressed the teachers. Now I'll tell you how the...
Let's take only 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am. Now I'll tell you. इसके बाद क्या है, ma'am? You people, na?
I think it's tea after this. After which we've got
Okay.
Sangam.
So as you say, I'm just telling you, I'm just sum it off. Then when we get to pedagogy, there was a challenge of everything. And the first thing was that if you go in a class, there's a very common PTM ka point. Sir, your child is very naughty. Entire class is silent, he keeps on disturbing. Very common problem. We all face it. Okay. I went a bit deep into that and I realized every child is brilliant. They are wholesome package delivered on this earth until there's some physical disability. Why they change? Environment, parent, school and teaching. Everything is included in that. Then I came to know over a period of time there are 4 ways of learning. Auditory, the written ones, and the kinesthetic. Now the most brilliant lot I found was the kinesthetic. You all will agree. If you have got 3 types of students sitting in a class to learn, how can your mode of teaching can be one? And that is where we fail. And that is where we design the pedagogy where every subject is taught in one subject in a 3 way. My teachers were having nightmares, but now they're very comfortable. We held their hand, we taught them, and the results are very visible. One example last, and then it's a long story. I would have told you so many things, how my labs are working, how they are integrated, how...
So can I request you?
Yes, ma'am.
To take that 1 minute that I would prefer that you should give. Because let us know about the vocational education stuff that you're doing in this.
Ma'am, I was coming to that because if I don't link everything, na ma'am, अभी इतने vocational हमने सुन लिए हैं, but can anybody tell how to implement?
तो आप उस पे concentrate
तो मैं उसी पे आ रहा हूँ मैम, because
Take 1 minute
हाँ.
and आप उस पे बात करें.
Now what happens on the vocational part is that, as everybody said, is the acceptance. देखिए, if you monetize a thing, it becomes lucrative. So we started giving example, M.F. Hussain की painting, उनकी picture in slippers with a brush. I said, how much this painting sells for? 45 CR was the last auction house that has sold. And eyes popped up. My fine arts lab is full now. They saw money there. They saw a fame there. They saw a career there. Motivating parents is very difficult, but motivating students is very easy. My biggest challenge is parenting, not my students. You give me a child, a sound child of any temperament, I'll handle it. And I take it as a challenge. That is one. Now when it comes to vocational, sports also become part of that. One parent comes, I don't know, somebody told ki jao wahan pe fauji hai, discipline and all that. He comes with a affidavit. Honestly, affidavit, registered, sir, blank, write anything. Mera iklauta beta hai, he's in class 4 and we have put our hands up. Not exaggerating, it's there with us. I'm calling him on the annual day to give a speech to his father ko. I said, okay. Put him in the hostel, everybody said no. We got a panel, they said no, teacher said no. Still I said, nahi, let me give a try. After 1 month, they all came, ki sir, either it's him or it's us. Ma'am, I'm going to tell you something which is not ethically correct. But then I said, let me give, because being a pilot, when I used to air, and my instructor knew that this is the time he's going to die, he used to hit me. And we never aired again. Landing पे गड़बड़ हो रहा है, एक थप्पड़ दिया वहाँ पे, अगली बार याद रहता था, I have to correct myself here. He came and I literally shook him like anything. And I said, now I'm sacking you. The boy literally came down on my feet and said, sir, मेरी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद हो जाएगी. And in 3 months, he has qualified pre-nationals. You can see it on the website of the National Shooting Association. So we don't give up on students. Vocational, you have to convince the parents, convince the student, monetize it. And as everybody said, government has to give us incentive, they have to make certificate, they have to give acceptance in the employment. It's a long process. But the fact remains, we have to start preparing right now. It's a long process. It won't be easy. We can just give lectures and speeches, it won't be easy. And parents, the moment they have, end of the day, why they want doctor, engineer and everybody is status, finance and everything. Link it with that, no? So that is why I said, you all should just come and visit, be my guest. And actually, I want to tell you how we promote vocational education in our school, how my teachers have struggled and they've come out of it. Finishing school, you name a thing, we do everything. Hydroponics, farming, small houses, balcony culture, organ, you name a thing, we are doing everything. It's a long list, I'll take another half an hour, not even I can't finish it. But then, I'm just telling you, vocational is very much doable. We need a government support. NEP will come. They will come on the same lines, but you just start doing, at least your class 1, class 2 students will start benefiting after 10 years. So don't look for this lot. They will not. This will not show immediately. But yes, that class 1, that pre-primary, if your setup is ready, they will benefit. And mark my word, they will benefit. Thank you so much.
I think I just wanted to add, thank you so much for saying, but I think one school visit to your school is due. We'd love to come and see, and I think it flows as a passion from you. Please come up, sir, so that we can felicitate you, sorry.
And I'll just tell all the educators, my mobile number, if you just write Mayaskar Dev Singh, my name, you'll find my number. It's the same Government of India wala number I'm using. Anytime you have a problem in any vocational subject, you want a free workshop in my school, just call us. You don't have to spend a penny.
Thank you so much. Thank you. 1701 Because I have made a school where max strength will go to 300 boarding, that's all. The day scholar will not be more than 500. 971701 Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
Thank you
much.
so
Thank
much.
you so much, sir. Thank you. So that brings us to the end of day 1, this track 3. After this, I think it's tea. I don't know where, but possibly at the same place that we had lunch. As the expo area. As the same place where we had lunch. And then, of course, we all have to gather at 5 o'clock at the at the main auditorium that we were together this morning, because we have a Sangam. All the track leaders, co-chairs will explain what came up. So we have some beautiful takeaways from this session since morning, which in a very short nutshell, Lakshmi and I will try and put together. Now, I'm doing the sales pitch for tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, I guess we come back to this place at 11:30. We have a Vartalap, and this is, what I said this morning, that we stole someone from the other track. So we have requested Subir Shukla ji, who's been doing a brilliant job with skilling, and he would be in conversation with Anand. Anand will again come from the other track, and Lakshmi. So both of them will be speaking to Subir Shukla, who I think is absolutely brilliant. You should not miss that. Then we have a Vartalap between Sandeep Sethi ji and Neeta Bali. Dr. Neeta Bali will also be joining us tomorrow. So we have a dialogue between the two of them, which is again going to be interesting. And that's where we're going to be talking about the NCRF. That's just come up, and the second document has come up yesterday. Actually, the previous document for school education and what came up yesterday is exactly the same, but gives a little bit more of clarity. And then at 12:25 we have an Adda. So the Adda is where I'm having a few more speakers come up once again, and I'm going to ask them to do something called honestly speaking, but we'll keep it at that as a little suspense. So tomorrow we have these three things in the track, and then that's going to be the end of it. So you're not only this is not only my sales pitch, I'm also creating ambassadors for tomorrow for more sales pitch. So there are so many more going to talk about selling our track for tomorrow. But we had a great day. We're going to have an even better day tomorrow. All the best. Take care.